Soon, the CEO of Shiba Inu will send Shib to $10. HIB updates returning to wealthy coin. Howdy mate, the biggest percentage drop this year has coincided with an uptick in volatility in the Shiba Inu price. Traders can use technical indicators and classical price action approaches to forecast a bullish or bearish scenario with this study. As the digital meme coin Shiba Inu dropped by 11% on the day, it was the most read day of the year for the price. The approaching price action of the token is determined by its proximity to a previously established trend line. The market can fall even farther if the bulls don't bolster the present level of support. Watch this video to find out how the CEO of Shiba Inu plans to send Shib to $10 in the next few hours. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Shall we jump right into the video? The current price of a Shiba Inu is 0.0000122134. The daily simple moving average is 21 days old, and the bears are trying to form a candlestick close below it. This would mark the beginning of the end for the general uptrend that started in the final week of December if it were to be successful. That being said, the rise could very well persist. Using the RSI, we can see that the price is re-entering support levels and has formed a positive divergence from the last consolidation zone, which was located near 0.00000000. Everything in the upswing is up for grabs if the RSI drops below the 40 mark. After the present market value of Shib, the next important level for bulls to target is the August high at 0.0000001800, which would lead to a 45% increase in price. Alternatively, the bears who bought near the present swing high of 0.0000001575 will probably start adding to their positions if the RSI falls below 40. This could lead to a stampede of sellers aiming for the 0.0000000780 level, which was the starting point of Shib's winter rally. According to the pessimistic outlook, the current Shiba Inu price could fall by 36%. Has gone on a multi-million-dollar buying binge, grabbing Shiba Inu tokens by the billions. According to new information from the blockchain search engine Etherscan, the Shib holdings of Jump Trading, a trading firm based in Chicago, have increased dramatically from 250,000 on February 4th to just over 130.7 billion. Gaining ownership of the meme token with a canine theme gives Jump Trading, renowned as one of the tiniest hedge funds, almost $1.7 million in Shib. The most recent financial report indicates that the platform is responsible for managing assets totaling approximately $150 million. According to the research, Jump Trading might have more assets than disclosed because certain of its holdings, such cash or real estate, aren't publicly known. Shiba Inu's price drop coincides with the hedge fund's buying binge, as it maintains its decline from its 7-day high of 0.00000015 to its current price of 0.00000013. The Dogecoin competitor has seen a 4% drop in the past 24 hours. In 2023, whale activity centered around, according to crypto analytics company Sentiment. This is because it has surpassed Ethereum as the second largest altcoin holding among whales. Sentiment reports that the top 5,000 Ethereum holders currently own a combined total of 50 million Shib, valued at somewhat more than $735 million. The pace at which the entire supply of Shiba Inu tokens is depleted is known as the burn rate. Token burn does this by sending some tokens to a public address that does not have the private key. As a result, fewer tokens will be available for purchase and use. The original plan for the distribution of Shib tokens was to have them function like a limited edition stock. The project's creators controlled the token's inflation by burning half of the token supply and storing the other half. The burn rate of Shib has dropped dramatically in the last several months. According to statistics from Glassnode, the rate dropped from above 8% in December 2021 to a mere 3% in January 2023. A number of variables, such as the massive sale of Shib tokens and the unlocking of additional tokens from the locked supply, have probably contributed to this decline in the burn rate. In the past day, the Shib burn rate has dropped from about 20 million tokens burned to just over 205,000, a 99.13% decrease. Information derived from Shib burn confirms this. In spite of this drop, the burn rate's overall performance relative to the Shib price is still poor. Investors might be losing faith in Shib for a number of reasons. The recent sell-off of the token, which caused prices to plummet from their all-time highs, is one of the key causes. Some traders may have decided to take their money and run as a result of this. Rising levels of competitiveness in the DeFi market also have a role. An overwhelming amount of DeFi initiatives have emerged in the past few months, all featuring their own distinct token. With many projects vying for funding, Shib and other initiatives may lose ground. Last but not least, Shib's business model's viability may worry certain traders. The creators of the project have already said that they intend to use some of the restricted token supply to finance more development, but some are worried about the project's long-term viability and money generation capabilities. The value of Shiba Inu tokens can be increased by reducing their circulation by burning. Nevertheless, getting to the price of 0.0001 requires a considerable amount of burning. To reach a price of 0.001, the token supply must be reduced to $5.8 trillion from the present 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The market valuation for this project is $5.81 billion. According to Shib Queenie, a moderator on the Shiba Inu Discord, the potential yearly burnout of Shib tokens through the ShibaSwap portal and the forthcoming Shibarium Layer 2 solution might reach 88.8 trillion. Following this forecast, we should be able to achieve the target price in about 6 years. Nevertheless, accomplishing this objective might not be as simple as it appears. Aiming to burn 90% of Shib tokens is an unachievable aim. According to Shiba Inu's top developer Archangel, it would take the burning of roughly 99% of the present token supply to get to a price of 0.001. Also, Rishi's vision, which isn't as valuable as Shib tokens, is used to pay out incentives for burning Shiba Inu tokens. This makes one wonder what motivates the burning of tokens, which would decrease their quantity. The Shib token's future is still up in the air, even if its burn rate has just decreased. Both the project's continued success and its eventual oblivion from the cryptocurrency scene are within the realm of possibility. If the founders of Shib are able to overcome the obstacles they are facing and keep inventing, the token's popularity might see a comeback. But you'll have to put in a lot of work for this. Funding and a well-defined plan for the project's progression. In preparation for the release, whales have been accumulating bone. The asset's value has been rising because of this. The 101% increase in bone's value since the start of the year is more than double what it was at the beginning. Huobi has now added Bone Shiba Swap to its official page for digital assets. Similarly, a possible listing was argued for. On the main page, the options to trade and deposit were highlighted. Aside from that, there are sections that cover the project overview, token details, and relevant connections. The Bone page is accessible via the deposit option. But the same appeared to be dormant and blank. Trading has not yet begun, and the exchange has not formally confirmed Bone's listing for a long time now. The Shiba Inu army has been patiently waiting for Bones' listing. Last year, around the middle of December, the exchange posted a photo of a Shiba Inu puppy decked out in red to celebrate the holiday spirit. People in the know quickly began speculating that a Bones listing could be in the works. It would appear that the exchange is definitely preparing for the same given the launch of the most recent page. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.